Hey class, it's Mr. Piggott here again. I'm here to talk to y'all today about the new problems we're doing this week. And so basically, it's a continuation of the stuff we've done with percent problems, um, but it's just an extension. It's just taking it to the next level of progression, I guess. So we've been dealing with percent problems. We've covered is over of problems. We've covered percent change problems. And so these problems are, you're just going to be finding a percentage, finding a little percentage, and then you have to know what to do with it. Okay. So the three types of problems we're going to look at are markups, discounts, and then calculating tax. So this first video will just be about markups. So what is a markup? Well, whenever you're selling something, uh, the assumption is that it costs you, the seller, it costs you something to get it in the first place. And so the markup is the amount of money you add to the cost so that when you sell it, you can make money. All right. So you probably see this all the time in middle school. Or somebody might go to the candy store and buy a bunch of candy cheap and then come to school where there's not candy and then they can sell it at a markup. All right. So we're going to do percent problems called markups. Let me share my screen. Let's get to it before I run out of time. All right. Now, in the example I have here, let's say my middle school hustle is going to be, I'm going to sell hot Cheetos. So I look online, I look on Amazon.com, I see I can get a big box of hot Cheetos, $17.99. And in my head, I'm thinking, I'm going to hit them with a 40% markup. All right, so how do I figure that out? Well, luckily, we're just figuring out a percentage. That part is easy enough. The real key is knowing what to do once you find that percentage. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to figure out what's 40% of this price here. If I want to figure out what's 40% of $17.99, all I have to do is take that 40% and convert it to a decimal. And to convert it to a decimal, I take that 40. We assume the decimal is right here behind the ones place, and I move it 2 times to the left. So that the decimal for 40% is 0.40 or just 0.4. So I take that price, $17.99, I multiply by 0.40. I can do that in the calculator, no problem. And then once I multiply that, $17.99 times, I hope I hit times, 0.40, I get 7.196. We need to talk about what that means. Now we're talking about money here, so really we want to round to the nearest cent. And so this is going to really be thought of as $7.20. That's the markup. $7.20 is the markup. So what do? We take our price, $17.99, and we add the amount of the markup. And I'll do that on here too. So $17.99 plus $7.20 equals $25.19. That would be your answer on this problem. So hopefully, the main thing you need to understand is on a markup, you're going to find a percentage, and then you're going to add it to that original price. On the next problem we're going to do a discount. And on discounts, we'll be subtracting. All right, I'll see you on part 2.